Good evening, fellow traders. This is Curious Combo, and it's Monday, March 24th. And did I say good evening? Things are a bit different today, and I was actually thinking of turning things a bit upside down, and if not turning them completely upside down, but making a little changes. I've been requested to make live trading, but as the ones of you who have followed my channel for the good month or so here, you might have heard that I want and commit to consider my trading as business, and the lowest time frame I'm willing to go is 5 minutes. So some of you might consider my trading a bit boring. Therefore, I was thinking of today, as I'm coming not live, but as I'm coming out with this video in the early European aftermarket and US afternoon session here. It's my local time is about 7 o'clock in the evening. I was thinking of showing you the one trade that I took today, making 10.61% gain on my account with one trade, and the yesterday's trade position here on the 5 minute time frame. And which one was it? I only want and commit myself for longs. I have been in the market for short trading some time ago, earlier in my trading 5-year trading career, and I must admit the biggest losses that I've ever gained has been the shorts. So therefore, I talk about pretty much only long positions here on the channel, and I highly recommend that you consider the correcting markets. And as we're looking at the 5 minute charts here, as the markets are sliding down here on DAX, you consider these as buying opportunities and not shorting the market. The long-term momentum is anyways on the upside. The stocks tend to move upwards. The businesses want to make profits, and if the markets are sliding, if the markets are correcting, which they are not even doing now, they're ranging. Therefore, I'm not willing to lose my money on this market conditions. I'm not shorting, and so should not you. Here, so today, this was the open. This was the open this morning. Pre-market, little uncertain climb up. I'm having with my stochastic here today. I'm having a MACD here as well. And so this was the spike up here on the 5 minute chart. As you can see, the fast moving stochastic is highly overbought, and it was moving sharply all the way to 1020 when the Europe opened, and then the first almost 2 hours was just sliding down. My one long position today was here around noon. We are here. I will show you again. We will revisit the range what we have been looking here for a good 2 weeks now. We're going above and below the range. We're on the bottom of the range, and which now seems to become the resistance. But however, at noon I took long here, and I was on the long for about 45, not all the way this 23,034 basis points, but about 45 minutes here to 23,000.9 points, and yeah, this returned me with over 10% on the account. Looking at this oversold position where the MACD crossed also, and the fast moving stochastic was shooting upwards, I took my long position, and sure enough, it was the right move for close to an hour. So after that, a double top, and since then, much uncertain moves. A big slide down to the US Open, then gain on the index, and again now the momentum has completely been lost as buyers probably have been returning their profits, and the volume has completely disappeared from the markets for the last 2-3 hours. The Dow rallied here today 400 points, and there's very high hopes for the week. So let's see. The US 500 and Dow has been rallying today, and DAX is here at the bottom of the range. This is 5 minutes from yesterday. Also, let's go for the 30 minutes. This is our range here. As you can see, we're now bouncing up and below, above and below, and even went and touched and confirmed the 22,710 range, which we spoke about earlier last week. Went up again to look for the previous range, which was all the way here, 23,494, but couldn't make it, and the price has been now sliding down back to 22,800. If you look at the hour and daily time frame, the story remains pretty much the same. On the hourly time frame, the bigger picture is clearer to you here this way. We usually start breaking down from the daily down to 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 and 5 minutes, but today I wanted to do it this way because I'm posting this video on the very late hours and US aftermarket. Let's look at the daily time frame still here on the DAX. As you can see, we are very much on top of the range, top of the price range. This is our miniature world where we're trading on the 5 minutes. You cannot get any sense of this on what we're doing on the daily time frame. DAX is still very much on the top of the range. The all-time high stands here at close to 24,000. The index is highly, or if not highly, overbought, but it remains on the 80% level. So today I made you this analysis and video on the very late hours, and tomorrow I was thinking, if possible, I will have my usual morning recap on the market as well as the US Open. Let's see if I find time, but how about I would come to you instead of live video, but I would produce 2 videos a day, early in the morning and later in the afternoon. So actually 2 market conditions. How this week looks further as we go to Tuesday, tomorrow, March 25th. The Case-Shiller Home Price Index will be published 9 o'clock New York, as well as New York Fed President John Williams will have his opening remarks. Consumer confidence and new home sales will follow at 10 o'clock, so those might be looking to move the markets in the European late afternoon session. Wednesday, we're looking at durable goods orders, durable goods minus transportation, and then there will be Fed presidents, 2 of them speaking. Thursday, initial job claims, non-farms GDP, advanced U.S. trade balance in goods. So Thursday, March 27th looks pretty promising in terms of volatility. Followed by Friday, March 28th, personal income and spending PCE, and that's a big one. PCE year over year will be early New York, 8:30, Friday, March 28th, followed by core PCE index and year over year, and the consumer sentiment final will be out. So Friday will be a massive market mover. So if you're looking for one day to trade, look for Thursday to Friday and just sit on your hands before that. You will find plenty of opportunities at the end of the week. So have a good week. Don't jump into any hasty conclusions. Let the news move the market and then jump on the train as you follow the macroeconomic events. I will see you tomorrow morning, and let's see if it's possible for me to produce with my schedule the afternoon video when the US opens. You have a good one. Thank you for watching, and I would be happy to hear what markets you trade, what time frames do you use, and leave me a comment and give me a like. As the market moves, let's move this channel as well. Thank you so much.